Dear viewers and followers, welcome back to the lessons of the Ameen Accounting and Warehouses System. The title of this lesson is Solving the Problems of the Disappearance of the Information Window. We previously talked about the information window feature, which can be displayed to show quick information about the item, account, or customer. Which can be displayed from Windows and then the information window. As often, the data entry operator pulls this window down or to the sides and it disappears. It is noted that it does not appear when trying to display it again because the information window appears in the same place to which it was dragged. To show it, you can do a simple procedure, where you can press the Alt-space keys together on the keyboard. You will notice a window appear that can be used to move and drag the information window. Using the mouse or keyboard arrows, sometimes you have to try several times by clicking on Windows, then the information window, then clicking on the space bar. This is to ensure that the selected window is the information window and not another window or something else. Finally, I hope you like the video and get the desired benefit from it. Share it with your friends to spread the benefit.